Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So I'm so excited because I am filming or unboxing another Bangs stationery. This is the second one that I have received. It's a bi-monthly subscription. And the first one I got, I will leave a link for it. It was their holiday subscription. And it was filled with all sorts of Christmas and holiday cards and stickers. And so if you're into that kind of thing, it was really kind of a fun box to open. It's $40 for every 2 months. And then I think there's a $7 shipping. So again, I will leave the link how you can order that below. And she does sell out pretty quick, so you kind of want to hop on it. So I haven't peeked, so I don't know what's in this box. Just cutting into it. So if you're a subscription lover, you will probably love this box. So it comes in this nice plastic folder with all the goodies. So let's get into it. The first thing is there is just it looks like a date book. I have bad eyes here. So there's dates at the top, so if you want to write down the dates, I would probably use it more for scribbling in there. But it's a really nice summer, spring that you can stick in your purse. So I do like that. And then the next thing is good things happen to those who hustle. So it is a journal, and of course everything is wrapped so nice. Pat, with my challenges, I can't open it. Don't know if there's a way we can get out of this. Oh, here it is. I'm filming several videos today, so please excuse me. I got some makeup on here. I'm kind of wearing the same clothes, but I'm just trying to get through some of my videos. And it's got dots. So I guess you can write in here. I've never seen something like this, but see if you can see that. Something different. Okay. And then they always put cards in here. So there's a nice springy card, and it's blank so you can write notes. And then we got another one. And then we got, are they just little stickers, sticky memos. So if you just have a memo, you can write that down, and there's just some little stickies on the back. And then we've got more cards. So I have to find a nice good place to remember where I put these great cards that I get, because I know I have them, but, and then it looks like we have some postcards. which are great for me because I do send postcards to my daughter in Germany. So we got some nice postcards. And thank you. I'd like to sincerely thank you for choosing Bang Stationery. We strive to offer superior customer service, and we hope your experience with us is aligned with our goals. Excuse me. And then we got another little notepad. Cute. And some little sticky florally things. And then some more little stickers. And of course, my fave, we got some pens in different colors. Will never go to waste. Oh, and look at this. It's a flower pen. That'll never go to waste. And another pen. And I'm not sure what these are. I guess they're just ribbons. And then we got, I don't know what it is. They're just sheets of really pretty paper, but I don't know what they do. They're just really pretty. Oh, and then we got some stationery with envelopes. Just really pretty. Do what you love. And it's got the envelopes and wow. Paper with envelopes. So I guess you can keep all of these beautiful things in this case. So if you like stationery, see, it all came in this case. I'm just looking for the, I can't find it. It all came in this case. I just can't find the closer. So if you like stationery, you like to write, you like to send cards, if you're home, you know, now because of the pandemic, and you want something to do, this is your perfect thing to order. Again, I will leave the link for the Christmas one that I ordered, and I will leave the link. She's on Facebook, or not Facebook, Instagram. So if you want to order it, you can order it through there as well. So please leave comments below what you thought of this subscription. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.